So guys, now we are going to performing a stenography using a ChatGPT. So we would like to, let me just type it as clear. I would like to go, I just open the folder. I would like to look here. I don't have anything else as a files, otherwise an images here. I would like to use as this, ha.jpg. I would like to utilize this. So I would like to close this. So I would like to go to here as a downloads. Now, how we would like to use uh, here. Now, I just type plus ha.jpg. So, okay, I just copy this. Now, I just write it as clear. Uh, Now, you just put here as a SGPT, you just put here as a shell. Then you just type here as a use uh, a StegHide. Uh, so, oh, sorry, I would like to first of all uh, perform stenography, steganography using StegHide to hide uh, text. Yes, right. What is the text like? My uh, personal phone number is. I just write here as I just write. So I just write here as a simple way. So this is not my personal number. Don't call me. So I uh, in what is the file name you want to put it here as this one ha.jpg uh, image file with as a password is again you just need to mention his password is 1234, then that's it. Now it will try to ask as execute StegHide embedded with the CF with HAB, and echo is my personal phone number is this one and password is 1234. You just try to execute. It was embedded, that was done. You have successfully done now. Now you want to extract this one. So to extract this one, we would like to utilize here. Once you just look here as list, where here you have look here as a ha.jpg. Now you just look here as xfi to ha.jpg uh, where image.jpg, and this is a color coding file permissions jpg image and etc things, everything is there. Now let me just type it as clear. Once this is done, now what I would like to look here as you just look here as a StegHide minus sf as select a Steganography file. So I would like to extract also StegHide minus sf ha.jpg. So I just type here as clear. So I don't want normally to go here. I just put here as a shell. Now you just put here as a use uh, a StegHide to extract a hidden text in, where is in the hidden text as ha.jpg image file. That's it. It will give you the command right now. we would like to see here HGPT, StegHide extract minus SF and H dot JPC. Enter the password. So I have put the password is 1234, where I have put here root extracted data. Let me just type list cat as to a my personal number is where I have written before. That's it. Now, even if you would like to write as where is this ha.jpg. Now, I would like to put here as uh, StegHide. So we would like to copy this, then let's just paste it. It will ask 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh, StegHide. So we would like to look here cat A12. So my personal number is, so that's it. So this is a simple way you can get it here. That's it. So this we have done a steganography here. That's it.